What is goodwill when you talk about acquisitions for insurance agencies? Well, when you ask that question, it kind of might mean something different for both sellers and buyers. Now, if you ask a seller, what is goodwill? To them, it's their name, their reputation, the goodwill they've built up in the community from their many years of great customer service, which is going to have long lasting economic value for the agency and those customers staying there because, again, they've got goodwill in the community. Now, if you ask a buyer, it might be a little more technical term in that the IRS allows for a tax deduction for an intangible asset that's acquired. No different than, to say, acquiring a patent or music licensing rights. It's not a physical asset or an inventory item that's sold, such as like a vehicle or maybe a piece of real estate or a widget. Policies have an economic value as they renew year over year with an agency. And so when you transfer a book of business from one to another, you're acquiring an intangible asset, which has some sentimental and emotional value, but also there's a technical term from the IRS that has some tax treatments. So it's really important to know the technicals of how that's used and why. So if you want to learn more agency M&A tips, my name is Colby with Agency Brokerage Consultants, and follow us to continue learning more.